Hello? Babe. Honestly, I do not understand your newly employed housekeeper. It's not something I can speak on the phone. When you are back from your trip, we're going to talk about it. Alright. Hello? Wait, hold on right there. I don't understand. What is wrong with you? Is it because I told you about the pregnancy? And I let you in on the plans? That's why you're demanding for money anyhow? I am now regretting why I told you about this pregnancy and why I let you in on this plan. No problem, just tell me where you are and I'll come to you. Now, hey, listen up. Let this be the last time. I mean the very last time you ask me for this again. Don't try it again. This boy is playing with me. He's trying to rip me off. We shall see about that. Okay.
This whole thing is becoming unbearable. Don't even know why she's fighting me. Is it that I'm tormenting her in her dreams or what? I don't just get it.
You don't need to explain to me. I already know who Taurus is. Sometimes she can be so overbearing. I am sure she must have driven you to a point where you could not take it anymore. That's why you have to talk to her like that.
The brother is really trying, coping with her excesses.
Well, they've known themselves since secondary school days, but I'm still surprised. Doris was never like this. She was a sweet girl, so nice. I feel maybe her university classmates influenced her.
She doesn't just know what she's doing to herself. I think your brother needs to talk to her to change from her or those her nonsense, stupid characters.
You don't know Doris. That's if she will listen. Let's just forget about her. Please just bear with her. We shall bear with us.
Let me see what hello.
It's the same hand been as the work going.
This is the money.
Wow.
Now listen to me. Let this be the very last time. Ask me of money again.
Doris, you are supposed to calm down. You are supposed to be polite, knowing fully well that I have our secrets. They calm down. Doris, no shaking, sha. If you give me attitude, no shaking. But all I know, you don't turn my ATM. I will chop you. I will use you make money. You give me attitude. And the reason.
Listen, girl, if you ask me, I would tell you not to worry yourself at all. I mean, that guy is the nobody.
Baby, you needed to have been there. If you see the insult this guy gave to me, saying that I will never see a man that will marry me, can you imagine?
Why would he say such a thing to you? Is he your God? Oh, that's his plan for you not to get married, right?
That is it. That is exactly what she wants.
Oh my God.
Let me tell you something. From the very day I saw him, I set my eyes on him. I knew that this guy was a devil sent. In fact, the devil sent him from the pits of hell. And you know what? I am going to do something that he will go back and tell the devil that, oh my God, this girl is not what you think she is. Oh yes.
Oh, but Dory.
Not to worry, babe. Don't worry. Don't worry. The insult this guy gave to me, that was why I came to your house, so I can cool off. Because I was, babe, I won't lie to you, I was depressed. I was down.
How could you say such to you? But what are you going to do now? Eh? What are you going to do? You know he now works with your boyfriend and he visits there regularly. How are you going to avoid him? I know that look.
Babe, you know me now. You know me. You know what I can do. You know me now. Babe, you know me now.
But
I will sort it out. Let me go where we did go. Calm down. Just calm down.
Your prick kiss.
Okay. How do I look?
Victory. Ethan.
Thank you. I think you should call and find out why he hasn't reported for duties up to now.
And I'll do just that soon today. And for that, don't you think you need a driver to ease your stress?
You know that I like driving myself. I like driving. Driving is my hobby.
Daddy, but I'm just concerned.
Don't worry. Just don't be concerned. Don't be worried about me.
Your dress is fine, Dad.
Good. Very good. Don't worry. I think it's idleness. By the time the good news of your study abroad comes out, you'll forget about where I am.
Daddy,
Yeah. Very good. So, everything is in the car?
Yeah.
We've let you go. I'll see you later.
Yeah, have the nice day. Love you, Daddy. We're just.
Thank.
And that's true. You need to walk the hair by such hole. Antonia, it has been my dream to school aid. So when my daddy said it, I was so happy.
Well, my dear, I see no reason why you should be so eager to study abroad. You have the certificate you need. I mean, what do you need others plenty certificates for?
Are you the one saying this? No knowledge is wasted.
I know, my dear. Just that I feel it's a waste of money going abroad to study again when you can use the certificate you have here, get a good job, or even better still join your dad in his fame. What you think, Sean?
There is nothing like a waste of money. When money is being channeled to the right sources, it is not a waste. I'm a robber, my dad is not complaining. What is it? It's just a one year course.
You sure? I don't have a problem with that. Maybe I was just looking at it from my own angle. You know, I didn't have a dad, and it's just my mom shouldering my expenses. And I think it's time to pay her back. Just left for me to get a good job with a good salary pay, and then I'll support her.
Joel will be super proud of you. Because at least her money was not a waste. And don't worry, you will get a job.
Amen. And get a good job.
Yeah. I think you'll get a good job.
Amen.
I'm actually rushing to somewhere. Good day, sir.
Good day, my daughter.
Looking for number 19, Gozie Street.
Number 19 goes this.
Yes.
I'm also looking for the same address. Yes.
Sister, called. Preschool.
Do you stay around here? Yeah, I stay around. We're looking for number 19 Gozie Street.
Yeah, this is the street. 19 morning too. Yeah, it is the house. Her. Okay, please, can you... Okay. Sir, she lives here, but I'm sure she's not around.
Thank you, my daughter. I will still call her to see if she will pick her card couple. But thank you first. The place to tell with Deidre. Who do you want to see?
I'm here to see who.
Okay. I can perceive him.
Faith. Okay. Faith is Hope's sister.
Okay. You have been here before?
No, this is my first time.
And the world I invested?
Yes. Have you tried calling her line?
I've been calling her and she refused to pick her call.
Same here. I've been calling Hope. He has not been picking.
It's alright. I think you still have to call him or you give me a text message. For me, I'll be going. I'll come later.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir. I already have your number from the
Deidre.
Okay, thanks.
Hi, good day. Oh, that's so fair. Penny, hi dear. How are you? I'm fine. You remember me? Why not? Your piece is the Nelson's daughter, Hope's boss. Oh, right, sorry. Oh, please, let's go inside.
Oh, no. I'm actually in a hurry. I've been here for the past 1 hour. I actually came here with a man that was looking for you.
Looking for me?
Yes.
But I don't keep any friends around this area, so I wonder who could be looking for me. Did he tell you his name?
No.
Well, but can you perhaps describe how he looks?
Well, he's an advanced man, old enough to be my father.
Well, I'm sure if he had something reasonable to see me about, he will come back.
Yeah.
Surprised to see you here, like, hope all is well.
Yes, all is well partially. I'm here to see Hope. I'm looking for Hope.
But he left to work early this morning.
He didn't come to work. In short, my father asked after him. That's why I'm here. Because he was supposed to pack into our house fully today.
Do you mean he didn't come to work? Yeah, I know he was supposed to, because he left early this morning with some of his clothes, and I just felt he was going to stay through the week, then probably come back weekend. Though he didn't tell me that, but I just felt he didn't come to work.
Are you sure he's still not angry over the fight he had with Doris? Maybe that's why he doesn't want to call.
Oh, no, not at all.
But what is it? If he doesn't want to work, he would have told me. I'm sure he doesn't want to tell my father because my dad is the boss. But I'm his friend. He would have told me that he doesn't want to work again. I've been calling him and he's not taking my calls.
He's not taking your call?
Yes.
Sorry, 1 minute.
What's it? He's not picking.
It's actually rang, but the call dropped.
I told you, something is not right. Something is wrong. Hope does not behave like this.
Okay. A strange man comes looking for me, and now Hope is not. I think so too.
Yeah. Doris, I hope what I am thinking is not true. Or are you sure that man that came to see Faye does not have any information about Hope's disappearance? That's true. Maybe I should call her. Hello, Faith. Faith, please, have you gotten any information about Hope's disappearance? Not yet. Please, immediately you get any information, let me know. Thanks. Okay. Bye.
I don't know why you guys brought me here. I don't know why you brought me here. I've told you if it is plot that you want, take it for free. I'm not asking for anything. Don't give me any money. Just take it for free and allow me go.
Come on, clear that smelling you call him out. You're just a captain anyhow. What's wrong with you? Are you mad? See, man, if I hear one more word from you now, is it because I'm not giving you a single victim? Eh? Are you mad?
I'm not mad though. I'm not mad, but no verse. If you guys brought me here for ransom, it's going to be very hard though, because you can't even get it from anyone. I'm telling you, for 3 days now I've not even eaten. Talk more of asking me for ransom. There's nothing to give you. I don't know shit you won't get from me, because I don't have it.
Now, Mr. Man, listen. When we want ransom to release you, you will know. And now, keep quiet and observe. One more word from you again. Bang.
Really? I saw it be there.
Get you covered.
Can I have my phone, please?
Which word? If I hear any word from your mother, I will smash you for floor. Can I play for you?
Match and where? Match the pool.
Sorry.
Stones in.
Sorry.
Let me hear one more from you. You know how sorry you are now. Nonsense. Come on, guy.
Hello, Kevin. Yes. Doris has a hand in Hope's disappearance. I am very sure about what I'm talking about. See, you need to see the way she was talking to him the day they met. It was so hot. She was insulting him. I saw so much hatred in her voice. And now definitely she will lie about it. Are you expecting her to admit it? She will lie about it. You said what? That Doris said I did not call her. No, please. I called Doris severally and she refused to pick my call. I even had to text her. She did not even reply. And well, it's obvious now. She will not want to reply because she knows the game she's playing. That's it. Yes, I wouldn't have just started concluding. I did mean she picked. At least I would have asked her first before coming to you. But she didn't pick, so that's why I had to tell you first. Yes, I am 100% sure that Doris, your girl, has a hand in the disappearance of Hope. Quote me anywhere. Really? Okay. No problem.
Oh, people, what is it again?
Babes, I'm swimming. Are you okay, boy?
Gosh, you thought it was Clifford.
I know, because you look pissed off. Is Clifford getting you upset?
If it was Clifford, it would be better.
Oh, I see. It was Doris, your brother's girlfriend. Because the way I saw her drove past me at the gate, it just looked so abnormal.
That girl just said she did Chris. She thinking always she did Chris. Imagine that girl had the gut to come into my father's house to come and warn me. Because I sent her a text message, common text message. Why did she not pick her call? Because I called her frequently and she refused to pick her call. Because she knows she has a hand in Hope's disappearance.
How about please? You shouldn't have said that to her so quick now.
Well, why didn't she pick her call?
Do you know if she was with her phone at the point?
Oh, so where did she see the message from? TV.
Oh, peace. I understand how you feel right now. But my point is that you shouldn't have sent that kind of text to her. You don't even know if she have an idea of what you're saying. Huh?
You think so?
Yes, I know so. And she's your friend. And as such, she's also your brother's girlfriend. So please just take it as you can. Can you?
My friend, that her way of life is not lines.
Calm down, Pace.
Tobo.
She will definitely change, and I know she will.
Who? Tells. That proud girl. Who proudness allow her to change.
Please,
Let's get up his.
please, my love. Calm down, I'm here.
I am suspecting that something is definitely going on between them. I mean, the way she was supporting him, something is going on between them. What's it concern me? Because the boy is a fine boy now. That one concern them, I beg. But by the time I am done with them, by the time I am done with him, he won't know what he did. Come, Nkechi, the fact that we are friends doesn't make you a detective. Know your boundaries, You hear? Just know your boundaries. I beg, I go my friend, please.
Yeah, what's hard do now? Why are you guys keeping me on hostage here? Allow me go. Let me go.
You think so? After you've made yourself an enemy to someone.
Who are we talking about here?
Who be this one? Why are you to interrogate us? You get mind?
Bros, no verse, no beside to interrogate you. I'm so sorry. Who are we now? Am I stupid to interrogate you? Am I mad? Not possible now. I'm only asking to know the person that said that I have offended him or her so I can apologize to the person.
Mr. Man! Hush! I said hush! Don't worry. The person that ordered us will get church mind. If not, we would have put marks on your body.
What?
We would have removed everything on your, on your Osefa course. Everything will be out by now.
Clear and forward.
Right here, capping bullshit to the campfire. Funky.
Thank God though. You guys are so nice. Thank God he didn't beat me. That.
See people this is money. Don't go finish. You never want chop. Well, now when I concern you, Sha.
Well, you can't trust anyone these days. Don't even know if you people poison this food.
You see?
Wetin you talk? See this man. Wetin dey talk? Poison.
So the reason you have not touched your food is because you think there's a poison in it.
I wonder.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sorry, sir.
No, Shadow, there's a poison in it.
Sorry, sir.
Let me have it. So that you will know there's no poison.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you think if we want to waste you, we need poison to do that?
I'm sorry.
If we want to waste you, is it not to use this bottle and bust your head?
Sorry, sir. Now wash your hand and join me.
I can wash your... You stick them out.
Hear from the man who came to look for me.
Which man?
I was told a man came looking for me earlier today.
Okay.
And that he waited and waited. Then he had to leave because he couldn't wait anymore.
And you have no knowledge of his ID?
How will I know who he is when I don't have a picture of what he looks like?
Whoever the person is that came to deliver that message, the person should come and give this total description of the person to you.
Well, she actually did.
Okay?
But I still cannot place... I don't know. Come to think of it, what if Hope was arrested by the police?
I don't think it is the police, because if it is, they would have called you before now to tell you that your boyfriend is in their custody.
He is my friend and not my boyfriend. I have told you that severally.
Hey, calm down, babe. You the para. It's not what I actually meant, okay?
It's okay.
Okay, your male friend and not the other one.
It's fine. It's okay. I'm just worried. I'm just worried about him. I don't even know where I can go look for him. I don't even know much about him in the first place. So where would I go? Where can I search for this guy?
And you said you don't have his mom's contact?
No. Come on. I told you how I met Hope. I told you everything, including everything that led to me bringing him to my home.
The black say this guy gets some kind of enemies with a trailer mode, and he's not even aware.
That could be true, but it doesn't stop me from worrying.
Phil, relax your mind. I think I know what to do at this point in time. Yeah, chill. Look at this whole hood. Now we get this area now. I am going to carry out an underground investigation, find out who this man really is, why he came to look for him, and how he got to know Lopez.
Hello, please. Good afternoon, Wes.
How are you?
Fine, Sophia. Welcome.
You heard me. That man did not come for you. He came for Hope. That I am certain about. I am sure of that one. Okay? But relax. I'll get back to you. Now me now, this area now don't worry. I will see people, I will see men. Thank you. Thank you so much and chill out.
Are you saying that Hope did not come today at all?
Yes, Dad.
I tried calling him, his number was switched off. But don't worry, he'll come tomorrow.
How do you know he's going to come tomorrow? You've not even established contact with him.
My instincts told me.
But this is disrespectful. How could he take a day off without even, bothering to tell me or even getting permission? And come to think that he just started job not quite long ago.
Daddy, let's not conclude yet. You don't know why he exempted himself from work. Maybe something came up. Let's wait till tomorrow, then we'll hear from him.
Well, if he doesn't come tomorrow again, then he should bother not coming at all. He consider himself sacked. And let him go to 7 professional.
Hello? Peace. Any news?
Not yet. That was why I was even calling you to know if there's any news.
No. Oh, I'm truly confused. I don't know where to find him. I don't know what to do.
Also, I'm as confused as you are. I wanted to go report in the police station earlier. But on a second thought, I said, okay, let me just wait till tomorrow before doing that.
Okay, same here. Well, cool to think of it. But the man that came with you should have some information about him. Don't you think so?
If you think so, do you think, how are we going to see him now? You know what, you shouldn't go far because maybe he will come back looking for you.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
It's fine. Please don't. The thing now is that my dad is so furious. Hey, he's angry. Like I've just been busy defending him before him, but I don't even know what to say to him. He said if he doesn't come tomorrow, that he's going to sack him. It's okay, Sha. Just take care of yourself. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.
It's okay, Sha. Just take care of yourself. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to tell Faith that I am suspecting Doris in this case? I won't tell her. Let me just look for a better reason to believe what I've been.
Yes. Who is that strange man that came looking for me? I have told him to stop calling and calling, yet he keeps bugging me.
How are you? Oh, you're up so early? Good. You are enjoying a meal? Oh, have to. It's well. Okay. You mean all this has been going on and me as the head of the family did not know? What kind of excuse are you making? Are you trying to cover them? Look. It's okay. There's no problem. I am driving now, and I will call you back, and everything will be taken care of. I don't see the reason why I should be there as the head of the family, and this type of thing is going on, and you will hid it from me. Okay. Okay.
Sorry, I missed a call.
Yeah. Okay. You know what? Just hold on. Let me call you back and continue.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
I've been here for that house help.
No news yet. We've not had anything to come in.
This is terrible. Really, I'm sure True fell on his head. I'm sure because he doesn't stay in peace. If that's the way he deserves. Why wouldn't he doesn't just respect himself?
Are you here to mock him, or you have something to confess?
Confess about what? About what? Please don't start. Please don't even start, please.
Oh, like seriously?
Yeah, like seriously.
Are you trying to tell me that you don't know anything about his disappearance?
Excuse you the hell out of me. No, are you really? You want to accuse me? Huh? Is that what you're trying to do?
Well, that's the truth.
That's the truth?
Yes, because how would you explain the bitterness you make him go through in this house? How? You are always insulting him, always making you feel less of himself.
Okay, since you suspect me this much, why don't you report me to the police? What are you waiting for?
Oh, like seriously?
Yes. After that, you reported it to the police long ago.
If not for the respect that I have for me.
You don't have any respect by anybody. You don't even respect it. But what report to me about? I don't know people like a professional. What? Don't you acting professional? See what? Just have love, but I have respect for that.
How to be for yourself?
I mean, stay hands. You think you did them like this? You see?
I don't know what's your losing thoughts of the faults. Wait. But you don't have to wait for my permission before reporting her to the police. Please, I catch you. So this is how you disrespect my fiancé in my absence.
What are you saying?
You know, when you called me and explained everything on the phone, I thought you were being reasonable. But walking in here, I'm seeing a different thing. So you are the one giving these guys the impression to insult my fiancé?
My God has vindicated me. Thank you, Lord. You have vindicated me.
So you just concluded without hearing from me.
Well, what else do I need to hear? You told me everything on the phone. This is so wrong. You have to accord me that respect. Please.
My love, my sweetheart, do you know she actually told the cook and the gateman to always insult me. That's what she does since you left. I have suffered.
Doris, what will give pathetic lasagna?
And then yes,
Present to one.
yeah, and then what you know?
It is enough of this. What is about?
Sir, what on side?
No, there is it.
What is enough? So, all this were going on the Bible. Were not for your mom who called me for us, I wouldn't have known anything about. All of you were waiting for things to get out of hand for being my daughters. I had disappointed, highly disappointed.
You so sorry, Dad. I was waiting to hear from the man I met him at his place, and he said if I have any information from him, then I'll talk to you or something.
Then, how come you accuse Doris wrongly about anything?
Because she said she was going to get ready.
Sir. Yes, I said that. But I said those words out in anger. I didn't mean them, and you know it.
Really? But you've been bullying him since you met him here.
Bullying him? He's been the one insulting me. Sir, he insulted me. The first time we met, he told me that no man will ever get married to me. He said it. And since that day, he has been making my life unbearable. He caused this whole thing.
Hope will not insult you for just no reason.
And Doris will not just pick a fight without you stepping on her toes.
And be careful. Why didn't you call me to tell me about all these things?
I thought you were aware, fine.
Thought I was aware and that I didn't do anything. I deliberate not do anything. That's what you're saying. And you, Mr. Fixie, who can handle everything, triple that.
You know, Dad.
Don't that me. Do not that. Even if I was aware, you should have called me to tell me things. Instead, you called your mom, who is far away overseas, when I, your father, is here, right here in Nigeria with you. Forgetting that I am the man in authority, I am the one in charge, and your mother acts under my authority.
It's servant like this.
I'm sorry. There are words that are implicated. There are words that you're not supposed to use when you are upset, because such words will be used against you when the time comes. The issue of hope is one that you have to take very seriously.
About what's training.
Yeah, it's a good one. Morning, how are you? I'm fine. That every. So you came with Sophia. I hope all is well.
All is well, my dwarf. She was the one that actually drove this particular date yesterday.
Sophia and are you?
It was me. The maiden was coming for my errand, and at first the man mentioned Hope. But I told him I don't know anybody by that name in this area. It was later the man mentioned your name and the place you live, and I brought them here. Hope there's no problem.
No, not at all there. I was just wondering who could have come check on me without my consent.
But he said he had been calling you several, you're picking up his calls.
Oh.
Wait. What time did you say you met him?
I think 9 to 10, if I'm not mistaken.
It's okay. But sorry, dear. Can you somehow describe him?
Yeah, of course. He's somehow tall, no fair, really fair like that.
It's okay, dear. Thank you.
Alright,
Take care of yourself, huh?
okay.
Regards to your mom.
Okay, bye.
From her description, do you actually have an idea who this person is?
There was actually someone who kept calling and calling,
Okay.
but I ignored him. And it was around the same time she just told me that he came looking for me. And from her description, I think I have an idea who that person is. But there's just something that's not adding up. Like, how did he even manage to get my address?
What's the man? Is this someone I know?
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope. One day you'll succeed. Succeed. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. 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 Echi ihe gadema. Succeed. Oh, succeed. Echi ihe gadema. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up. Tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come. Temptations will come. In this life's journey, oh. Some people will walk against you. They want to see you fall, to see your downfall. But you must try to stand tall, so that you don't fall.
I was very happy about what you said to me on the phone.
Give me gif now. You needed to have been there. My man stood by me. I knew if Kelvin was around. Huh? All those nonsense wouldn't have happened now. You wouldn't have allowed them to do that nonsense to me. Yes, no.
Wait till, let me understand what you're saying. You mean the sister could not say anything in front of her brother?
She couldn't say anything. At first she wanted to run her mouth. But bro still I said, shut up your mouth. She quiets her mouth. Only sense girl.
But see, Doris, listen, try not to get lost with this girl. You know she's your fiance's only sister. I mean, you're crying out loud. You guys are supposed to be like best of friends and not enemies.
Well, my darling, we both come from two different lifestyles. I'm of the upper class. She chose to mix up with the poor people. Well, I cannot bring myself down to the slums. I can't do that. Girl, you know I'm class. I'm the word class. We come from two different class. Okay? She chose to mix up with the poor people. I chose to keep it really awesome. You know, you don't understand. I cannot listen now. I cannot mix up with these people from the slums. I cannot.
I know.
I mean, you don't even know how I feel. I feel great and victorious, girl. Oh, yeah. Good. Oh.
Hey, babe, how far for the guy in Matana? Any good news about him?
Maybe today. If not, say I just use my church heart to forgive him. And Kelvin, father, puts mouth for the matter. I wouldn't have forgiven him. But you know what? I just wanted to listen to him and just forgive him. Nothing much. I changed my mind. Okay?
We cannot talk, oh. You know, if I talk now, you go say I don't start again. Kechi don't start. Okay,
What is it?
keep my mouth shut.
I'll pull your lashes. I'll just remove your lashes.
That is itself, I beg. Except you tell me you won't get angry. No go vex.
I beg, if you don't want to talk about it, then why did you bring it up? You like doing this thing.
No, when you are now, no, I will ask. Let me tell you before you start the parent. Did you know where the guy was? Like, did you have any idea about the guy?
Wait, there. Okay, chick. Did I pay you to investigate the...
Of course not. Why would you say that?
No, why would you ask me that? I mean, you promised never to ask me such question again. I don't understand. Why you ask me that question?
That's why I didn't want to ask you. You said,
Okay, ask.
Now I won't keep quiet.
I beg. Auntie Gwegwegwe. Let us go.
Oh yeah, now let's go. No vex. Sorry.
Good morning, young lady.
Good morning, sir.
Please, do you stay around here?
Oh, no, sir. I don't go.
Oh. I'm looking for Bozier Street.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't live around here. Maybe you should ask someone who lives around in this neighborhood.
Sorry, thank you. How silly am I? I was here yesterday. Why did I miss the road? Greet yourself. Do you live around here?
Yes, I live around here.
Please come in and help me locate Engineer Bozier Street.
I don't understand. I should come in.
I'm not a killer. What are you doing?
No, I'm not even thinking towards that side. Your face is familiar. I think I've met you before. Are you not the man who gave me money somewhere at one hotel like that?
Oh, yes, I remember. How are you?
Wow. So thank you so much for the other day.
No, it's my pleasure, my brother. It's my pleasure.
Wow, okay, you say you're going to Bozier Street?
Yes.
Number what?
Number 19.
Number 19. Okay, who exactly do you want to see there?
Yeah, I'm looking for Faith.
So, sorry for asking. Who is she to you?
Oh, she's a family member. You ask as if you knew her.
Yes, she's my neighbor. Does she know you're coming?
No. I was there yesterday. She wasn't around. Though the route I took yesterday is different from the one of today. That's the reason I missed my route. So I was calling her all the time and she's not picking her call. I don't know why she's not picking her call.
Are you sure you called her real phone number?
Yeah. I'm very sure. 08022582255.
You're right. That's her phone number, sir. Okay, let me take you there.
Hope is a good thing to have. When there is life, there is hope. With hope, you can cope. Don't give up hope. One day you will succeed. If you don't give up hope, one day you will succeed. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Succeed. Echi ihe gadima. Life is full of ups and downs. Today you are up, tomorrow you could be down. Trials will come, temptations will come in this life's journey.
Wait, what happened? Your number has been switched off. And why? Where did you meet him?
I read my own case. Forget about it. We'll talk about that one later, okay? You have a visitor here. He said that he was here yesterday, but couldn't find you.
But that was not the question I just asked you. Where did you meet him?
He missed his way. So he saw me on my way home. And he asked me of our street and described you. So I told him I know the person.
Well, here we are.
Sir, is there any problem?
There's no problem, my son. You can go now. I want to thank you so much, huh?
It's okay, sir. Sir, I live here. I'll be inside. Let me allow you guys to talk.
It's all right.
life must balance, yo.
What's that? I said, it looks like a patty pin. So what's the balance?
Maybe that is how he keeps fooling himself. You just keep fooling yourself. What is going? What is this? What is that? Yep. Please go to the car and get my bag. You should bring some deodorant. I don't know. Be right.
Worried.
Very like
I said, do fast and bring it to the guest rooms.
Guest room?
Yeah.
Why did you say he should take it to the guest room?